The first Sangha community I created is Varanasi. Now I am replicating it. Basically, I am visualizing there will be temple, and in that zone, some 2-3 kilometer or 4-5 kilometer zone, people will have their houses. It may not be only our devotees' house, others also may have their houses. In that area, you will all have your houses, be part of volunteering in the temple. So, the temple becomes the symbol of all your emotions and aspirations together. We will be having free food, whatever is happening in the Kumbh Mela. Whoever comes, just like here, people will be walking in and they will have free food. Best vegetarian restaurant, Indian Hindu vegetarian restaurant as per Bhaga Shastra, free. And large goshalas and university classes, programs happening, all in one area. That's the way I am visualizing. I feel by next Kumbh Mela, we should have at least 1008 community, Sangha, all over the world. Vedaneri thalaittonga migusaivat kuraivelanga. So this is my vision. In Los Angeles, we are looking for a property in the banks of Colorado River. We will be having every year Kumbh Mela in Colorado River bank, where just like here, Kumbh Ghat will be created. People will come and put their tent, and 1 week Kumbh Mela will be celebrated. Anybody wants to know about Hinduism should come to our temples, our places. Right introduction will make people fall in love with Hinduism. Not just practicing, they will be in love with Hinduism. We should give that kind of introduction. So this is my vision. Everywhere the sanghas and communities to evolve. No rule other than only one rule. No illicit relationships. Stops there. No other rule. Everything else is only suggestion. The people in the community may not take Visesh Diksha. It is up to you. You may be vegetarian, may not be vegetarian. That is up to you. There is no rule. It is only evolving communities who are enjoying Hinduism, enjoying the Shaivite tradition. So no other rule other than this one. This one I am not going to allow, because this one starts, the whole thing will collapse. So just this one, we will keep it as a rule. Everything else is suggestion. Now whoever wants to be part of the community, Sangha in your city, in your area, please stand up. Let's evolve.